Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the dual capture of camera in the Motorola Edge 30 Neo. So you can go to the application and search for a camera, then slide on the right here, click on the more and search for the dual capture. Yep, and there is, as you see, you can dual capture from the front camera and the back camera. You can switch for the main camera on the front camera by this button, and of course you can set the photo. If you want to hit some of our dual camera, you can set the lens which you want, the wide or standard, and switch up one more time. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!